It took me a while to make this video because I'm still overwhelmed with what happened during the conference last week. How did I started about this? One fine morning, I was browsing my Facebook when I saw for the first time the ad of BYU MS Asia Business Plan Competition. It catches my attention because I'm a because of the word BYU, and it's because I'm a BYU pathway graduate and I really wanted to study in BYU during my younger years. So I downloaded the brochures and read the instructions. Upon reading it, I realized that this is a big event. So I say that this is not a competition for us. Since we are just a small startup business that we're trying to strive to keep our daily operation. But every day, I can't help myself not to read the instructions on the brochures. I even reach out in Messenger whenever I have questions. But in spite of feeling of inadequacy, they were able to convince me to join on the competition. So we started gathering the information that we needed and work out with our entry. Video editing is fun. I dedicated that task to my eldest daughter, and it's really fun. Her video editing skill is not that bad, isn't it? That's her first time. I also would like to mention the tireless effort of my husband as he support in making this entry. Then the day has come. The conference has begun. On the first day, I met the board, the sponsors, my fellow finalists, and even met some old friends that I have never been seeing in the long time. I was humbled and I'm very thankful that I took the courage to join the competition. If not, I will miss this chance to meet these amazing people. Our happiness is beyond measure. I am more than happy that I got the chance to mingle with people who has the same values like me. I'm happy I got the chance to hear the speakers live. This is a life-changing event and activity for us. Not to mention the food and the very fine accommodation. The prize money, of course. We will be using the prize money to install an elevated water tank since one of our struggles in our production is the inconsistent water supply in our area. Also, some portion of the money will be used to buy some tools that we needed to produce our pies. And the rest of the money will be used for our operation. And again, I would like to thank the BYU MS Asia board in making this activity. For all the people, staff who make this event possible, thank you. For all the sponsors, thank you very much for extending your blessing. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. From Team Yomis, we thank you from the bottom of our heart.